Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can remove Apple ID without password. So if you want to remove an Apple ID without knowing the password, here's what you need to do. If Find My iPhone and activation lock are enabled, you basically cannot remove the Apple ID without account password. This is a security feature designed to protect your device from unauthorized access. If you forgot your password but still own the Apple ID, you can reset it by simply going to iforgot.apple.com and you can reset your password. From here, you can just simply follow the verification steps and you can reset your password, and then you can remove Apple ID if you don't know the password. So if you're using a second-hand iPhone that's still linked to the previous owner's Apple ID, you'll need to ask the previous owner to remove the device from their account using Find My or iCloud. Once the Apple ID is removed or the password is reset, you can sign in with your own Apple ID, and that's it. If this video actually helped you out, I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, subscribe and see ya.